Hello again. Following on from the last video, I'm going to have a quick chat with you today about specifications and how, if you're using a specification for any decorating work you've got, how it's going to save you money and also give you more comparable quotes or estimates. So all really a specification is a sheet of paper that you can give to each decorator that comes round and tells them exactly what you want done, how many coats you want put on the ceiling, how many coats on the walls, woodwork, etc., what areas you want painted. Also, maybe you can discuss what paint you would like to use. I never advise the customers getting the paint because it's like taking your own steak to a restaurant. How do you know that you're using the best steak or the best ingredients? Decorators, you're using these products constantly, and they know the best products to use, the ones that work the best, the ones that achieve the best results. So you think you're saving yourself money by buying your own paint? You're not. You can in some cases save yourself money. We used to let the customers supply paint. We don't do it anymore. It caused too much trouble, too much expense, and too many arguments. So no, we don't do that. We did it for about 4 customers and then knocked it on the head. Absolute nightmare. Anyway, back to specification. All this does is, if you write this down, what areas you want, if you've got mould, in a certain area, then put that down as well. All this list of sort of instructions does then is give every decorator the same sort of even playing field. They all know what they're pricing for. If you don't do this, what happens is one decorator will be pricing for something, one decorator will be pricing for something else. You can give the 3 decorators could look at the same job and give you do it 4 different ways. So best thing to do is get this sort of like level sort of specification, this sort of list of instructions, so they all know what they're doing and what you want to achieve. If you don't know how to put one together, get in touch with me. I've got a little PDF that I can send you that you can download, and it will show you exactly what to do. Just leave a comment in the comments, say the spec, and I'll send you one. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope that helps. I hope that helps. I hope that helps. I shall speak to you soon.